high. We put it on the line, going all out, all out. Got to elevate your mind. All the people's in the place, gonna change the time. Yeah, we put it on the line. I'm coming back from the future to uproot. Change from the full nigga to deuce. Used to get blazed and shit, from my days to shits. A couple of bars on some paper about as far as I get. But it's yours, this shit fits. The pictures on my wall came to life one night. Put this nigga back on the ball. Action, black man, number 20, tackling y'all. From back row bleachers to the street beat. The metaphysical freak, you cheap interviews. But ain't too speak, it's slang-based individual. So when you think, what you thought niggas see, recognize first. You're man for your MC and I'm down with. Surrounding the Cap County. I'm Deuce, the hardest nigga, paint run around me. I'm living it down, living brothers, you don't know. Till I cross the finish of the show. Just go.
Yeah, we done for that one. We done. Come on, man, look here.